Imagine owning a motorhome so luxurious that it costs more than most mansions, and underneath the floor it carries your supercar, a Porsche, Ferrari, or another exotic machine hidden inside your home on wheels. Press a button and an electro-hydraulic platform lowers to the ground, revealing your car. This is the Volkner Mobil Performance S, and it may be one of the most extraordinary luxury motorhomes ever created. At around 12 meters or 39.3 feet long, the Performance S has the presence of a premium European touring coach. Built on a heavy-duty bus-style chassis, its enormous body hides technology and luxury that you would normally expect to find inside a private yacht or penthouse. But its most famous feature is hidden underneath the living area, the patented central garage. Unlike motorhomes that tow a car behind them, the Performance S carries a vehicle inside its own structure. An electro-hydraulic platform lowers from the center of the motorhome. The owner simply drives a low-clearance sports car onto the platform, and the entire system lifts the car into a protected storage area beneath the floor. Depending on the configuration, the garage can accommodate vehicles up to approximately 4.62 meters long. Imagine crossing Europe in your motorhome, arriving at the French Riviera, and then unloading your Porsche or Ferrari to explore the coast. Once you arrive at your destination, another transformation begins. A massive wall-out extension moves outward from the side of the motorhome, dramatically increasing the available interior space. With the wall-out fully extended, the interior feels less like an RV and more like a luxury apartment. The lounge offers generous living space, premium seating, panoramic windows, and carefully designed lighting. The materials are equally impressive. Genuine leather seating can be combined with African Macassar wood cabinetry and beautifully finished surfaces. Even the ceiling can feature premium carpeting, creating a quieter and more refined atmosphere. Entertainment is taken seriously too. High-specification versions can feature a custom Burmester sound system, while retractable televisions create multiple entertainment zones throughout the motorhome. When the screens aren't needed, they disappear back into the furniture. Then there's the kitchen, and this isn't a typical RV kitchenette. The Performance S can include a full-sized induction cooktop, oven, dishwasher, and a residential-style refrigerator, allowing owners to prepare proper meals wherever they travel. There's even a hidden pop-up coffee station. Imagine waking up beside a lake in Switzerland, pressing a button to reveal your coffee machine, and enjoying your morning coffee while looking through the windows at the Alps. The bathroom continues the 5-star experience. Depending on the owner's chosen specification, it can feature multi-zone heated flooring, a spacious rainfall shower, heated towel rails, and premium ceramic fixtures. At the rear, the bedroom is designed as a genuine private retreat rather than simply a place to sleep. Premium cabinetry, integrated lighting, comfortable bedding, and extensive storage create an environment closer to a luxury hotel suite. But the Performance S isn't only about luxury. High-spec configurations can feature up to approximately 2,400 watts of rooftop solar generation, helping the motorhome produce its own electricity while traveling. That solar system can be paired with a lithium battery bank of around 25 kilowatt-hours, providing substantial onboard energy storage. An approximately 8-kilowatt generator can provide additional backup power when required. This means you could potentially spend extended periods away from traditional campsites while still enjoying many of the comforts of home: lighting, entertainment, cooking facilities, hot water, and other luxury systems. And that's what makes this motorhome so unusual. You can travel across countries in complete comfort, carry your own sports car underneath you, and establish a luxury living space almost anywhere the road takes you. Of course, this level of engineering comes at an extraordinary price. Depending on the configuration and customization, the Performance S sits firmly in the multi-million-dollar motorhome category. Highly personalized builds with exclusive materials and luxury equipment can push the price dramatically higher. But imagine the experience. You wake up in the Swiss Alps, make coffee in your full-sized kitchen, and enjoy breakfast inside your expanded living room. Then you lower the hydraulic garage, drive out your sports car, and spend the day exploring mountain roads. By evening, you return. The car disappears beneath the floor, the garage closes, and your luxury home is ready for another destination. The Volkner Mobil Performance S isn't simply a motorhome. It's a luxury apartment, an off-grid retreat, and a supercar transporter combined into one incredible machine. So here's the question. If money were no object, what car would you keep inside that hidden garage? A Porsche, a Ferrari, or something even more exotic? Tell us in the comments and subscribe to Homes That Move for more incredible motorhomes and extraordinary luxury homes on wheels.